I still remember that morning clearly. I woke up tired, just like every other day. My phone was full of messages, but I did not reply to anyone. I just stared at the ceiling and thought, what am I even doing with my life? Every day felt the same. Wake up, scroll, pretend to be okay, sleep again. Then something small happened. My mother knocked on my door and said, breakfast is ready. Her voice was soft but full of care. And for a second, I realized while I was busy being lost, people still cared about me. That simple moment hit me so hard. I looked in the mirror and said to myself, enough. I decided that from day I will start smile more, thank people, take care of myself and stop comparing my life to others. It was not easy. Some days I still felt lost. But every time I smiled back at my mom, or helped someone, or just took a walk outside, I felt alive again. And you know what? My life did not change overnight. I did. Sometimes the biggest change starts with one small decision to take care and try and to live again.